This is Math 141 Practice Test 1. Question number 13, the last one. And we are supposed to sketch a graph of this function, and I really want to know what those asymptotes are. So, remember with looking at these rational functions, my first idea is I can't divide by 0. So let me think about when that would happen. That would be when this equals 0, which would be at 0. So it looks like x cannot be 0. So that's going to give me an asymptote right here at x being 0. And then my next thing that I want to look at is what happens as x gets really big, as x gets big positively, and as x gets big negatively. And so thinking about that, as x gets large, this becomes 4 over something big. So this gets closer and closer to 0. As time goes on. And next thing I could do in order to sketch the rest of it, I could maybe graph it on my graphing calculator. I can plug in some points. And as I do that, one of the things that I'm going to notice is it actually does this. And we're used to that, like if it does that there, it'll do that over here too. But it actually doesn't here. Here, it, oh, that was a terrible drawing. Here, it does this, something like this. It's like symmetrical that way. And that has to do with because of the squaring. You're squaring x, so all of your outputs will have to be positive. But there's a sketch of it. Use that graphing calculator.